Wala, iniwan ka na ni daddy. Nakikitrade na daddy mo doon.
Both of them? Yes. Sure. Seriously? Okay. Andre, hold it please. Can I get the thing?
Fifth day na ng Pathfinder guys. So pupunta kami para lang tingnan kung anong nangyari sa parade. Tapos na siguro yung parade kasi kanina dapat alas 9 late na kami. Kasi namuyat ang ano, pinuyat kami ni Mishi, grabe. Natuloy kaming energy. Grabe siya. Hindi siya talaga nagpatulog ng maayos. Tapos nang nagre-ready kami, siya na yung natulog. Ang galing-galing talaga ng batang to. Kaya let's go para makita naman natin yung mga ibang activities. Para sa pin, ang layo na lang nalakad namin. Nagpunta pa kami doon, hinanap namin ng California, pero hindi na namin mahanap. So dito na lang tayo sa pin finder. Oh my gosh. Hopefully meron.
Para sa uniform neta.
United States na eh. Nakikosyoso yung mag-ama doon sa mga taga-Korea na nagtatrade ng mga pins. May mag-ama doon na nagtatrade ng mga pins. Kikita mo na yung future mo, Mac Nichols, in 5 years. Ganyan ka, makikitrade ka din. Are you guys trading your butterflies? No? That's for keeps? Where'd you get your butterfly?
Okay.
Daddy mo, Mishi, wala naman siyang ititrade na pin eh. Makikibid na lang siya. Makikibid na lang hindi na trade. Mishi! Hi! Pagod ka nang sumama kay daddy? Ha? Pagod na kay daddy? Wala, iniwan ka na ni daddy. Nakikitrade na daddy mo doon. Wala namang ititrade na pin. Oh.
Are you trading the Filipino one or no?
No, it took me so long to find that
Yes.
one.
It's so hard they're so rare to find them.
This one is nice.
Country or something?
Yeah, this one, it opens up.
Are you willing to trade that one?
Yeah.
Alright.
You don't have Filipino anymore if you trade that one, Tanani.
No, I have another one.
Yeah, you have another one.
But then I have to trade Kaylin for it. Wait, can you put the chip in?
Oh yeah, sorry, my bad.
Oh, you have the jeepney.
Yeah, I have the chip
Yeah, this one, Tanani, it's nice.
for.
Yeah, they're asking for
I could give you
the jeepney.
this one.
Huh? You get the jeepney.
I could give you
That's
this
rare. Oh, did you choose?
and this one. Both of them? Yes. Sure. Seriously? Okay. Andre, hold it please. Can I get the thing?
Nakikipaglaro yung ano dun. Mag-ama, kala mo naman sure na sure. Wala na. Pinalik niya. Nakikipaglaro siya sa mga maliliit.
May program na yung gabi, ano?
No baby sister for you, Mishi! Very happy.
Kailangan ng kalaro yan.
Hindi na nga namin kaya mag-isa.
Kaya yan? Pwedeng hindi. Mayroon mag-isa.
Hindi po kami makatrabaho.
Si Lola.
Wala, busy sila nagtatrabaho pa.
Lola ang bantay.
Very happy.
Siya yung nakikiliti eh.
Done? That's real water! Kawawa naman yung banining ko. She can't play yet. Wawa naman banining ko. Hindi pa makaplay. Pero gusto mo yung mga lights. Hi, Missy ko. Hi, Naning. You're looking at the lights? Tingnan niya yung magalaw na light. Baba. Hi. Hello, Naning ko. Baba. Oh, next time mag-play ka na pag pwede ka na mag-play, ha? Day. Ay, sis. Ay, sus. Anoan? Oh, ito na yung pinky mo, anak. Uy, doon, kahit nagbinky. Masakit ata yung gums niya, mother.
Be the last to know.
Press the gas.
Press the gas.
Yeah.
Where's the gas lay?
Where's the gas? The right one is the gas and the left one is the... The left one is the brake.
This is your brake, huh?
But in real life, you can't use 2 feet. Hoy, Tito Macmon! It's for Mishi. Mishi, your daddy won. For your bathtub. For your bathtub.
Happy ang Mishi mo. Ayaw niya mag-smile. Kasi yung ilaw doon siya tumitingin.
Mama gonna crash because of you. Kalmam lang, atas di lang.
Wala nang
Muntik nang iniwan yung maliit dito, oh. Akala ko pa ba din 500 na. Swipe it, swipe. Diyan yung isa. Wala, pag makita mo ni. Madaya yan, madaya. Hoy, may pang-washing na tayo. Ayun, Nantananing, that's the slime, oh.
Okay, and
Then one burger. Thank you.
322 left.
Yeah,
Thank you. We're going to the stage. That's our ate, our pathfinder. Mishi. Wow, yeah, sleeping.
Katay ate, it's gonna come out. It's gonna come out the gata. It's gonna come out. Rose, everything is right.
Keep your binky on. Keep your binky on.
Yeah, put your binky. No. It's Filipino.
I'll take the Jeep. Do you have any other jeepneys? Or is this the only one?
That's the only one that you said earlier. Oh, you choose now, Tananeng. Get the butterfly. Tananeng, you choose now.
I'll give you the butterfly.
Yeah, the butterfly is so rare.
Yeah, it was hard to get.
There's one place now.
Well, I like the other one more.
Which one? Well, it's up to you. That's your pins anyway. Mami, Pilipinas! Pilipinas!